Hey guys, so I want to give you a close-up of my prototype slip-on tires that work quite well. And it took some abuse, but the 3D print stayed on real good. It's because it printed this way, so all the seams are like this. So it's kind of, it's actually very durable. And I made it 8% infill, so it almost acts like air tires, airless, so you get more grip. And I put these tiny grips, slits like a snow tire. Now the problem now I'm having isn't actually traction, but the power of the motors. So if you take a look at these tiny motors, they're just not, this is almost a 110 millimeter wheel. It's just not going to drive it. Now I do have some larger 6.0, 6.5 motors that I can put on, but I wanted to go ahead and further and make this a little bit more efficient. So if I could get rid of this urethane piece here, I could pull this down here. So I'm actually making a whole wheel from scratch. The problem I'm having, not problem, but challenge I have is I gotta somehow make an apex fit. So since I don't want to use supports, I'm gonna actually use I'm gonna print out in two different, and then I'm gonna have a slip-on that fits perfectly in there, screw in. So the first is here, and I'm gonna be printing out. It's gonna take me a while, but yeah, that's where I'm at.